Hey guys, it's Anthony Wong here from my2incomes.com, and this is a quick video of my use of Keyword Advantage. Um, Primarily it's just to highlight I had some issues with the Google Keyword Planner. It's not an issue with really this tool as such, it's more an issue with my PC stroke my internet connection to the Google Planner, and the fact that I've probably performed too many searches and I'm now being penalised with my access. Now, I actually tried to test this a few moments ago, and is now returning the keyword ideas that I want, whereas before within Chrome I was getting a strange error, and the only way around was to use IE, but even then it was a bit sketchy and I kept on having to click on the get ideas a couple of times just to get this data down here, but that now seems to resolve itself. That's probably about 12 hours since I had the problem. Okay, so if I go into Keyword Advantage and I click on the AdWords button, effectively what this does is it spawns a browser session within Adobe Air. It's going to try and connect now to AdWords. You get some strange error messages happening. You can just ignore these. I'm already logged in with a particular account that I have, so hopefully I should just be able to click on Tools, then go into Keyword Planner. It should bring up a similar page that you saw in the browser earlier, so we'll just give it a few seconds. Now, one of the problems I found is that when it's having a problem like this, essentially I wasn't getting any page. And this was a similar error that I was getting when I used Google Chrome when I was doing a bit of troubleshooting. So essentially, I would get the menu at the top, but this area here was blank. I click on Tools, I see the drop down menu, I click on Keyword Planner. What should happen is I should then get some menu options in this left hand side of the page. As you can see, we can't. Okay, one of the good things about a lot of the SEO keyword tools, if they're really good, is that they give you an option to import a CSV file of your keyword research should they fail, and that's maybe because there's been a change to the Google Keyword Planner. For example, when it changed from the Google Keyword Tool to Keyword Planner, a lot of things changes and a lot of these tools broke because essentially what they do is they spawn a browser session and they scrape data from the Google tool or Google Planner. Now, in this instance, for whatever reason, we just can't connect to the Google Keyword Planner. I don't believe anything's changed, but we can import an extract that we had taken earlier. And it's just a case of clicking import, and this is a CSV export that I took from the Google Planner, which I just did from here. So it's just a case of you stick in your keyword that you're looking for, click get ideas, you get this list here, hit download, and then you can choose Excel CSV, and then you can click download, and that's where your file comes from. So I just go back to here, I just select this one, and you can see that just opens up straight away. Now, there's an interesting thing here. I have another tool called Traffic Travis that I can perform an extract from, and I found that it doesn't put it in the right format, the correct format for Keyword Advantage. So you definitely need to use the Excel CSV export from the Google Planner for this to work. But you can see it's got everything here. You should be able to order by search volume, but I guess it's not pulled in everything, it's just pulled in everything in the wrong format. So I guess we have to actually play around with this, reordering the columns until you get it working the right way. So I guess maybe that's not quite a good success as I wanted. It's the first time I did it and I just recorded it live. So let's just go to the Google Analytics Planner, AdWords Planner, open up this file. So I guess what I'm going to have to do is probably chop out some of these and move some of these around. Fortunately, I did do an export from Keyword Advantage, so I can see the format of it. So